Papunta tayo ngayon sa daycare ni Pipo kasi susunduin natin siya. And ganito nag-work sa amin dito sa New Zealand yung parenting kasi dito sa New Zealand wala ditong katulong. So kami ni NK talaga yung lumalagari kay Pipo araw-araw. So you wanna go to the beach?
Yeah.
Oh, say bye-bye to your teacher. Bye-bye to your teacher, bye-bye to your teacher. How's your daycare, anak? Let's go to the beach?
We can go to the beach.
Okay, let's go! Let's go! What living things it's in the ocean?
Octopus.
Octopus?
Yep.
Very good! You see that bird? Go and catch it. Go! Go and run! Go, run! Go, go, go! You can do it! You can do it!
Our sister up.
Wait, anak. Can we wipe your nose? Because there's a lot of sipon na. Nagkasipon kasi siya, guys, kasi dito sa New Zealand, parang nasa Pilipinas din kami. Yung paiba-iba yung, yung panahon. Pipo, there's a bird. Catch it, go! Dito, guys, sa New Zealand, ganito yung pinakang activity namin tuwing summer. Malamang summer, pupunta sa dagat. Pero dito kasi, guys, sa New Zealand, masyadong accessible yung dagat. Kahit saan may beach, kahit saan may mga magagandang tanawin. Kaya tuwing summer talaga sinusulit namin na lumabas araw-araw. Kasi yung summer dito is napakaikling panahon lang. Look, is that mommy? That's not mommy. Those are the hot chicks. You wanna ask them? Ask them. If daddy is handsome, you wanna ask them?
No.
No? Why? Can you smile to the camera, people? 1, 2, 3. Smile! Yeah! What living things it's in the ocean?
Octopus.
Octopus and
Lobster.
lobster and
Fishes.
yeah,
And a shark.
a shark. Okay. What are the kinds of fishes?
And the clownfish.
Clownfish. Yep.
Stonefish.
Yep. What is the Filipino fish?
Balloons.
And
Yep.
very good. Is mommy looks like a fish?
Yeah.
What kind of fish?
Daddy.
Daddy. Whoa, a bird. What is the color of the bird?
White.
White. Very good.
And what's the color of the shark?
That's white and gray. Look. Kung magtataka kayo, bakit English yung language namin pagdating kay Pipo, kasi dito sa New Zealand, nasanay talaga siya na English yung sinasabi niya. Yes? This one?
He's very from the...
You wanna touch it? Go, 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 go. Go. Oh.
No.
No? Don't touch it? Okay.
Mommy is on the phone. Mommy.
You wanna talk to mommy? That's mommy.
Hi, people. Ah, I get the ants. I get the ants. I get the ants.
You get the ants? What were you doing with the ants?
Okay, I broke it.
You broke it?
Daddy can get you more sticks, people. It's alright.
Yay, we have pasalubong to your mommy and to Kuya Pochi. Right? Thank you very much. Have a good day. Let's go home. Where's your shell?
Shells and stick.
You throw it, right? People, let's go. Let's go. You can't take it out. Yeah, let's go home.
No.
You need to go home because you need to sleep, right?
No.
Yes.
No.
Yeah. You big boy. All right, let's go. All right. Did you enjoy your day, people?
Yeah.
At school? And the beach? And of course, the bird. Did you enjoy it? Yeah? Okay, very good. Now, time to go home take some rest, take a bath, and let's sleep, alright? What do you mean no? Oh, high five. High five. Very good. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina na kapag nilabas natin yung bata after school nila, talaga namang nakakatulog. Tingnan nyo to guys. Diba? Effective yung ginawa natin. So, ganyan lang. Ganyan lang yung ma-advise natin bilang parents. Diba guys? Effective. Nakatulog talaga siya. So, ganyan lang guys. Papagurin nyo lang talaga yung mga bata para makatulog.